I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
We're just getting into Northern California. We're gonna be hunting mountain quail here. Very unique species, just found in this Northern California and parts of Oregon, so extremely limited territory. And just pulling in here, there's awesome fog down in the bottom here up in the mountains. Got Tiny here just because they're very clustered together and we didn't want one of the high working dogs, so Tiny's gonna fit this perfect.
Yeah, I would keep definitely shells, like 2 shells in hand.
Okay.
Because what's going to happen is we're going to see them on the road. Hopefully they'll stay there, but if they bolt, he'll get up on them. You want to get out in a hurry.
As soon as possible.
Get up on them.
Okay.
And you know, when you're getting up on them, go ahead and put one in the
loading.
pipe.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I make sure I heard that. None in the
pipe.
keep 2 in your hand.
Keep 2 in your hand, and I mean, if we see them, get them in there. Because these dudes are going to want to run.
Stay together.
Stay close, Dad.
Shoot him. Good shot. I got it.
All right.
Hold on. There's more right here. Take it. Good shot. Reload. I'm gonna be right here to your left.
Yep.
I saw it was a mark on the first.
I'm heading up in the middle, Dad. Oh, awesome.
Look at that one.
That was gorgeous.
Double. That's cool.
Wow. Did you get one, Dad? Yeah. Right there. Mountain quail. Absolutely gorgeous. Mountain quail range from lower British Columbia all the way down to the Baja Peninsula, but the best population are found in Northern California and in the southern part of Oregon. This one right there.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, good shot. Go ahead.
We got a band-tailed pigeon, one of those birds of opportunity. What do you think, Tiny? Mountain quail call this terrain right here home. Very thick cover, generally towards the top of the mountains. And one of the reasons is they actually need to have cooler weather to be able to survive, which is unique compared to the other quail species. Their habitat is doing very good right now, but it is one to watch just because the areas that they call home are also frequently logged. Logging creates the regrowth along with forest fires to create this thickness underneath that they call home. I've got another mountain quail, another male. Doesn't quite have the headdress that the other one had, but and these things trying to get them to get up and out of the bushes is crazy. They're running machines in here and just having difficulty getting them to fly.
That up, baby!
Did you get him, Dad? Yes.
All right.
Did you get it on film?
Come on, man.
All right.
Thank you.
No sweat. Let's roll.
Yeah, let's go find some more.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.